Are you looking to sell your home? Let's talk about the essential preparation needed for an amazing presentation that captivates potential buyers. First impressions are crucial. Start with curb appeal, a manicured lawn, fresh paint on the front door, and the clutter-free pathway can make all the difference. Inside your home, declutter and depersonalize. You want your buyers to envision themselves in the space. A fresh coat of neutral paint brightens the room and provides a blank canvas. Do not overlook small repairs. Fixing the leaky faucet and squeaky doors, it shows the care and maintenance. Staging is your next step. Arrange furniture to maximize space and the flow. Bright, warm lighting and inviting scents can enhance the ambience. Finally, professional photos captures your home's best angles. Remember this, you are selling not just a house, but a lifestyle. Ready to transform your home for the market and attract the right buyers? I'm here to guide you through the each step, ensuring your home stands out. Let's get your home show ready and make a lasting impression. Please call me, Realtor Pradeep Jasi, at 416-629-3480, or you can also visit my website at www.pradeepjasi.com.